Alright, here I go. I'm going to finish off the case of Absolute because I can't stand leaving them. Not giving up something, you know? Hopefully my case is half as good as the one we just cracked. Two thin ones in a row. I want fat ones. Joseph Randall, Hog Heaven. Torrey Smith for the Ravens. Josh Gordon for the Browns. Niall Davis to 199 rookie for the Chiefs. And rookie auto number 3 of 5. Theo Riddick. Theo Riddick 3 of 5 rookie auto. I'll set that to the side. That's a nice one. Hey. Was it you had Detroit? You would, right? You would. EJ Manuel, Hog Heaven. Russell Wilson. Andre Ellington, Boss Hog to 99, rookie. And then an Andre Ellington rookie to 99 Spectrum. And a Niall Davis to 99 rookie auto. That's a short print, I guess. Niall Davis to 99 rookie auto. Hog Heaven. I pulled a lot of Andre Ellington, my lord. Andre Ellington, Hog Heaven. Jamal Charles for the Chiefs. Mark Sanchez for the Jets. Tyler Wilson, rookie to 199 for the Saints. And triple patch, Denard Robinson to 25. Rookie Premier triple patch, Denard Robinson to 25. This one's probably going to be a relic auto if I had to guess. Oh boy. Julio Jones for the Falcons, Hog Heaven. And Darren McFadden for the Raiders. DeMarco Murray. And then we have a Carson Palmer Spectrum to 49. And numbered 84 of 99. Rookie Premier Materials, EJ Manuel. To 99, EJ Manuel. Ray Rice, Hog Heaven. Andy Dalton, Troy Polamalu. Marcus Lattimore to 25 Spectrum. And, whoa, number 18 of 25, Le'Veon Bell, rookie autograph. Man, I definitely opened the rough half of my case first. Because this stuff is, man, I'm hitting the hits now. Chris Johnson, Hog Heaven. And then we've got a Chris Givens and a Maurice Jones-Drew. Travis Kelce, the 499 rookie. And then check this out. Tools of the Trade, numbered 6 of 10, Marcus Lattimore. 6 of 10, Tools of the Trade, Marcus Lattimore. Man. Tyler Eifert, Ben Roethlisberger, Demaryius Thomas, Bjorn Werner, the 499 rookie, and doink, the 99 Cordero Patterson, rookie Premier Materials, to 99. Russell Wilson, Calvin Johnson, Danny Amendola, Jonathan Franklin, Spectrum to 99, rookie, and number to 299, Matt Elam, rookie autograph. All right, last box. I think it's my first ever full case of football. I did a 6-box case here. Lattimore Hog Heaven, DeMarco Murray, Russell Wilson, Earl Wolf, the 499 rookie, and yep, the 299 I got a repeat. Elam, rookie autograph. Got 2 of them. I thought I saw that on the back. Any more thin ones? Nope, everything else is thick. It goes this way. Chris Johnson, Hog Heaven. Jeremy Maclin, Jonathan Stewart, Quentin Patton, the 99 Spectrum rookie, and Giovanni Bernard, rookie Premier Materials redemption. It goes this way. Russell Wilson, Hog Heaven. Cam Newton, Darren McFadden, Marquez Wilson, the 499, and holy Lord, 11 of 25 absolute patches, Russell Wilson. 11 of 25 jumbo patch, Russell Wilson. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Holy crap. Hog Heaven of Reggie Wayne. Peyton Manning, Marshawn Lynch, Jordan Reed, Spectrum rookie to 49. And to finish it off, my God, jumbo patch rookie autograph number to 25, Monty Ball. Monty Ball, jumbo patch rookie auto to 25. So guys, there you have it.